Hey guys, and welcome to yet another video. Today is another wash day featuring the Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo. I am taking you guys along with me as I use this shampoo to finally get the rest of the buildup that is in my locks completely out. I am starting by simply separating my hair into sections, into 4 sections. This is what I call the 4 band method. As of recent, I haven't been doing it so much, but today I thought, what better time than now to separate my hair into sections so that I can get a really great wash and really concentrate on each and every lock as much as I possibly can. So that's why I do the 4 band method, so that I can get into every section well and equally. And I'm just, having some fun. All right, so it's time to wash. I am drenching my whole entire head all over, making sure that each and every section is well saturated so that I can go ahead and start off with the shampoo. So this is the Neutrogena anti-residue formula. It is a shampoo that is for all hair types. It doesn't necessarily say that it's for locks. However, this formula is perfect for locks. And I'm not even, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just letting you guys know what works for me. If you guys have been watching me this far and you've been following my journey, you know from time to time I wrestle with buildup issues in my locks. And so if there's anyone that can speak on this right now, it is me, because I have used this formula time and time again, and it works every time. It starts off with a really great lather. That makes me feel really good because I want to feel like I'm really washing my hair and getting a deep clean. Another shampoo that does this really well is the Dr. Locs shampoo, the Yasin shampoo specifically. I love shampoos that give me a nice lather because it makes me feel like I'm really getting a good cleaning, and especially if I'm using a shampoo like this one that I am using to clarify my hair. I want to make sure that it is truly doing its job. The last thing I like in a lock wash day routine is a shampoo that does not lather, and it just takes so much effort just to lather. This one lathers almost immediately, and so just a little bit goes a long way. I'm pretty heavy-handed. That is a problem of mine, so you don't really have to use a whole lot. Here I did, and you don't have to use a whole lot. You can actually use the suds to shampoo and touch the rest of your head, because that's just how much it just continues to sud. At this point, I am using a method that a lot of you guys have mentioned to me works really well with getting buildup out, and that is focusing on individual locks that have buildup issues. And so I'm trying my best to go through each and every lock in that particular section and gently pull the locks down as I work the shampoo into my hair. I also give it a gentle squeeze, and I make sure that my roots are well shampooed as well. I don't want to only focus on the length of my hair, but I want to make sure that the roots are well covered with the shampoo. So here I'm doing the same thing again in another section, and this is the reason why you want to section your hair, so that you can just pull out whatever you use to section it, whether it be a band or clips like what I'm using here, and you have easy access to those particular locks, and you really feel confident that you're getting each and every lock washed equally. Each and every lock is washed well, and there are no locks that are left behind, because when you don't separate your hair, what ends up happening is you may reach one section more than the other, and you don't really get a completely good wash out of that, if I make any sense. So that works for me, and this is something that I do and then sometimes I don't do, but I think I'll be including this a whole lot more, because every time I separate my hair into 4, I always get the very best wash days. So once again, I'm making sure to gently pull down my hair as I'm getting the shampoo into my hair. I'm trying not to squeeze it too much because, well, actually I'll keep that for another video, but I find that gentle pulls really help whatever residue is sitting on top of the hair to maneuver its way out. And so as you see, the Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo rinses out very well. It doesn't take a very long time, even though I did stay in the shower for a good period of time. It does not take much effort for this formula to rinse out of your hair. And I love that the fact that this formula is clear. It's not opaque. It doesn't have any color to it. So I'm confident that it will not stick in my hair and leave, you know, residue from the shampoo. It's clear, and if you just give yourself enough time in the I'm about to say it again, the shampoo. If you give yourself enough time in the shower, it will definitely rinse right out. So as you're rinsing, you want to make sure to gently squeeze it so that whatever shampoo is inside of the locks make its way out. And so here I'm all done, and I'm giving my locks a good squeeze. I want to make sure, okay, that there is nothing left in my hair. There are no suds left over, because this can also bring in buildup. Buildup is so easy to get. A lot of people don't understand that, especially with locks. Like, it's so easy to get buildup. So, I mean, you may be talking about me today, but tomorrow you might have a little buildup in your hair too. It's just that easy. Like, it's so easy. So I'm trying my best to implement better habits, especially because I am preparing to color my hair. More on that later. But I want to make sure that I'm giving my hair the best treatment so that it's ready to take on a new, exciting color. I'm back, and this is what my hair is looking like. It feels very fresh and clean, first of all, and it smells good. There's not like a strong smell that comes from the Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo, which makes me happy because I've mentioned many times that I'm sensitive to smells. Like, I cannot stand strong perfumey smells in hair products or skincare products. I more so like citrus, and I do like peppermint, but anything else is just too much for me. So this was a pleasant experience. This is probably like my third bottle that I've ever gone through with Neutrogena shampoo, because on many occasions I've had the buildup, and every time I used it, every time it got the buildup out. If you guys check out my more later, I guess, archive videos, you will see that many times I had buildup. This is what my hair is looking like. I still see traces. I still see traces of the buildup, but it's not so bad. And mind you, my hair is still wet, so it's not until my hair dries completely that I will truly see whether or not my buildup is still there. Yeah. Now, because the Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo is a clarifying shampoo, I did have to double up with my favorite shampoo, and that is actually my aloe vera shampoo that I've had for some time now. It is a clear solution, so a lot of you guys mentioned that when you wash your hair, your shampoo is normally a clear kind of consistency, and it's very loose. So that's the loosest and most clear shampoo that I have, so I decided to go ahead and use that. I have been using the Dr. Locs, but like now I'm finished because it's such a good shampoo. But this time I used the aloe vera shampoo, and that's always been helpful when I use that in addition to the other methods that I've done to get buildup out. Like before, I have used Dawn dish detergent. I've used you know, the ACV and baking soda rinse technique, and I've also used Neutrogena shampoo many times. And with those clarifying, so you know, clarifying products, I've always had to come in and use something that will actually boost my hair with moisture again. So these shampoos really help me to just get that kind of, they're more moisturizing shampoos, so they help me to regain the moisture that was taken out as a result of using, you know, these clarifying methods. So I am going to focus on the moisture in my hair because we are leading up to hair coloring time, okay? Listen, okay? I am excited to finally color my hair. So I'm actually gonna, the next video that you guys will see is where I bring you guys along with me as I try to make a decision. Like, I need you guys' help. I need to know, based on your feedback and opinions, which color I should go for. So just stay tuned for that. That's actually going to be the next video coming up. But yeah, I'm really excited. I am actively preparing my hair to take on the hair color. And yes, I know that hair color does, you know, damage your hair, and I know these things. I colored my hair before, so it's nothing that I'm, you know, oblivious to. I'm just ready for a change. Like, really, if you guys saw my video where I was talking about being bored with my locks, it's not that I'm bored to the point of wanting to comb them out and just never have locks again, but it is bored to the point where I want to do something different, you know. And I guess with these set of locks, if I get bored and want to comb them out, it's more because I kind of want to start over again. But I'm not combing them out. Actually, my mom had to like talk me off of that ledge because I was close to combing them out before washing my hair earlier this morning. I was really discouraged, but thankfully the Neutrogena is saving my hair, and it's going to help me because the next hair routine that you'll see me do on my locks will actually be hair coloring my locks, or coloring my locks. So let's just stay tuned for that. Yay! Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Did I mention that the Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo is going to be in the spring 2020 Nazi Curl Club box? Okay, if you are not subscribed to the box, it's not too late. You can go ahead and check out nazicurlclub.com. I have a few coupon codes that you can use to get some money off, anywhere from now until the end of Monday, February 17th. So from now until February 17th, you can use the coupon code that I will have down below to get $10 off. And if you want a yearly subscription, you can get $20 off by using Nati 2020. So yeah, just stay tuned because we will be talking more about how this product will be in the Nazi Curl Club box, because so many of you guys have been saying how you don't have access to this in your local stores, and I don't know why, because it's really, really good for our hair, and you just need to have this in your stash. You never know when you might just need a little self-care detox. You never know when you might need a great clarifying shampoo to clean your hair really well, deep clean it. If you have buildup issues or mold issues, this shampoo is really, really good for that purpose. This is not sponsored. I'm just sharing the wealth, guys. I'm just sharing the wealth. But thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Stay tuned for many more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys. Bye.